This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries, their physical computing unit, and I'm on the lesson Analog Input. Alright, change threshold. By default, a sensor's change event fires every time the sensor value changes at all, even by 1. Okay, so every time the data changes at all. The light and sound sensors are constantly fluctuating, so you probably want the change event to be a little less responsive. Okay? The threshold property allows you to set how much a sensor should change before considering it a change event. So setting sound sensor dot threshold equal 100 could cause the sound sensor's change event only to trigger if the value increased by or decreased by at least 100. Oh, cool. So you can kind of just you can control what you consider a large event. All right, do this. This app changes the background color of the screen whenever the sound sensor value changes, but we want it to only respond to big changes in volume, like a loud noise. Use the sound sensor.threshold block to fix it. Okay, so we're going to leave this, but it looks like we want sound sensor. How did they use it? So you set it like that. Okay. So I'm going to go to circuit and look for that. Sound sensor dot threshold. Light sensor. Sound sensor dot threshold. Okay. I'm going to put this up here because we only need to set this once. I don't need to change my sound sensor dot threshold every time an event happens. I'm just going to set it once up here. Okay, I'm not really sure. I'm going to try 200 and we'll see what that does. And it should change the background. Oh, I should have tested this. Let's test it before. Hello. Alright, now let's do reset. And now let's do, no, not light. Sound sensor. Let's start small. I'm going to do like 5. Let's see what that does. Hello? Hello? Oh, you can tell it changes much more slowly. Oh, I think singing doesn't help. Hello? Yeah. Alright, well, let's make it even go slower. Alright, so now it has to be a change of 10. And let's see how often my voice changes. 10? Does it? Hello? Oh, see, I have to get really near it. Hello? To change it. Hi, how are you? Cool. I'm not going to go much higher than that because then I'll be screaming in my house. But cool. That's really cool. We have a lot of control over these. Let's keep going.